Hi, my name is Jill Nitch, and here's my presentation for Module 11, Gifts to Students or Staff. Fundraising incentive gifts. These gifts should be given to students who participate in the fundraiser and should be age appropriate. The gifts should not affect the profitability of the event. Shouldn't break the bank if you're giving them a gift. They should be purchased with money raised during the event, and gifts not related to the event should not favor one group or the other. Special achievement gifts, these are awards that are typically given at an athletic or an academic banquet. Again, they should be age appropriate, shouldn't be really extravagant. Funding for giving these awards may come from the general fund, but it's suggested that they come from donations from businesses or parent groups or an athletic fund. Remember, when you're using donations, to keep public opinion in mind and not to make the gifts that you buy really extravagant and expensive and something that's not going to be used by the students. Gifts to staff members, if you're looking to do that, the gifts should be guided by written procedures and guided by a committee. This committee should meet once a year to review the written procedures. Who gets a gift, when they get a gift, are there certain criteria that certain monies should be allowed for funerals, for weddings, different stuff like that. Gifts should be paid for from a staff remembrance fund, and this money that goes into this fund should come from annual dues or donations. Fundraising incentive ideas or gifts. If a staff member participates in a fundraising event, then a gift may be appropriate. The gifts should be no more than 5% of the overall profit. Again, you're trying to make a profit, so you shouldn't make the gifts really extravagant or overboard. All staff gifts, and this is something I really haven't thought about. I didn't really think about where our stuff for our Teacher Appreciation Week came from, where the money came from to get us gifts. These are gifts at the beginning of the year and at Teacher Appreciation Week. Again, they should be reasonable in cost and paid from generated funds. If the staff generates the fund, then it's appropriate to use the funds on the staff. This could be the snack machine in the teacher's lounge, or the pop machine. Funds from those could go to buying these gifts. You should limit funds coming from the general fund for an all-staff gift, because it should be spent on the entire community, not just on specific staff. And any cash or items redeemed for cash that are given to staff need to be reported to on their W-2. So this is why you want to limit giving money from the general fund. Special efforts for specific students or staff. Need to keep in mind here, if you're having a special event for a staff member or a student who has maybe some medical bills that you're trying to help pay for, any money that is raised that is going to be given to the staff member is going to have to be reported to their W-2. So it's always best to have an outside parent or organization in the community coordinate this event, so they aren't putting that money on their W-2. Thank you.